If you're using Nano Banana directly, you might need credits depending on your plan. But inside Google Gemini, this feature works for free, at least for now. We don't know how long it'll stay that way, so it's a good idea to try it while you can. Let's go through an example. I'll upload a simple photo of a house. By default, the photo looks like it's taken straight from the front. But what if I want to see it from above, like a drone shot? Inside Gemini, all I have to do is type change perspective to bird's eye view. In just a few seconds, the AI generates a new version of the image, but this time it's shifted to the bird's eye angle. The house, the roof, and the surroundings all adjust to match the perspective. It feels like you actually retook the photo from a completely different angle. That's what makes Nano Banana so powerful. You can quickly explore creative perspectives without touching a camera or doing complex 3D editing. And since it's free in Gemini right now, it's the perfect time to experiment before it possibly goes back to being a paid feature. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful content.